Waba uzi uko aya magambo akoreshwa mu Cyongereza? Regardless, careless, infinitely, tragical, painful, in spite of ndetse n'andi menshi tugiye kurebera hamwe muri iyi video. Niba utarakora subscribe, yikande nonaha, like, share and comment, ntiwibagirwe nabyo kubikora mbere yuko dutangira isomo ry'uyu munsi. Ijambo rya mbere dufite careless. Careless, kutita ku kintu cyangwa se umuntu utita ku kintu nawe tumwita careless person. Examples: he was careless with his money. He was careless with his money. Yari atitaye ku mafaranga ye, bivuze ko yasesaguraga cyane ntacyo yitayeho. She made a careless mistake in the exam. She made a careless mistake in the exam. Yakoze ikosa ry'uburangare mu kizamini. Another example: don't be careless when crossing the road. Don't be careless when crossing the road. Ntukabe indangazi igihe wambuka umuhanda. The careless driver caused an accident. The careless driver caused an accident. Umushoferi w'umunyaburangare yateje impanuka. He threw a glass away in a careless way. He threw the glass away in a careless way. Yajugunye ikirahure mu buryo bw'uburangare. Her careless words hurt her friend. Her careless words hurt her friend. Amagambo ye y'uburangare yababaje inshuti ye. Being careless can lead to serious problems. Being careless can lead to serious problems. Kuba umunyaburangare bishobora gutera ibibazo bikomeye. Ijambo rikurikiyeho dufite regardless, ntacyo witayeho. Regardless, regardless, ntacyo witayeho. Example: she continued working regardless of the noise. She continued working regardless of the noise. Yakomeje gukora atitaye ku rusaku. We will go to school tomorrow regardless of the rain. We will go to school tomorrow regardless of the rain. Tuzajya ku ishuri ejo hatitawe ku mvura. He loves her regardless of her mistakes. He loves her regardless of her mistakes. He loves her regardless of her mistakes. Aramukunda atitaye ku makosa ye. Regardless of the difficulties, they finished the project. Batarebye ku mbogamizi, basoje umushinga. She smiled regardless of how tired she was. She smiled regardless of how tired she was. Yasekaga atitaye ku kuntu yari ananiwe. Everyone is welcome regardless of their background. Everyone is welcome regardless of their background. Buri wese ahawe ikaze hatitawe ku nkomoko ye cyangwa se ku mateka ye. He decided to help regardless of the risks. He decided to help regardless of the risks. Yafashe icyemezo cyo gufasha atitaye ku ngaruka. Ijambo rikurikiyeho ni unfortunately, ikibabaje. Unfortunately, ikibabaje. Examples: unfortunately, I forgot my phone at home. Unfortunately, I forgot my phone at home. Ikibabaje, Nibagiriwe telefone yanjye mu rugo. Another example, unfortunately, it's going to rain today. Unfortunately, it's going to rain today. Ikibabaje, uyu munsi imvura iragwa. Unfortunately, I failed the test. Unfortunately, I failed the test. Ikibabaje, natsinzwe ikizamini. We lost the match. Unfortunately, we lost the match. Ikibabaje, twatsinzwe umukino. Ijambo rikurikiyeho ni tragically. Tragically, mu buryo bubabaje. Tragedy story ni inkuru ibabaje. Examples, the accident happened tragically on a quiet road. The accident happened tragically on a quiet road. Impanuka yabaye mu buryo bubabaje cyane ku muhanda wari utuje. The disease spread tragically fast. The disease spread tragically fast. Indwara yakwirakwiye mu buryo bubabaje cyane vuba. Another example, the fire left the family tragically homeless. The fire left the family tragically homeless. Inkongi y'umuriro yasize umuryango mu buryo bubabaje cyane udafite aho kuba. Inkongi y'umuriro yasize umuryango mu buryo bubabaje cyane udafite aho kuba. The story ended tragically with the villain. The story ended tragically with the villain winning. The story ended tragically with the villain winning. Inkuru yarangiye mu buryo bubabaje cyane umwanzi atsinda. The company closed tragically after 10 years. The company closed tragically after 10 years. Isosiyete yafunze mu buryo bubabaje cyane nyuma y'imyaka 10. Painfully. Painfully, mu buryo bubabaje. Examples, iyi painfully ivuga kimwe na tragically, bikoreshwa kimwe. He painfully ran to work again after the injury. He painfully ran to work again after the injury. Yongeye kwiga kugenda mu buryo bubabaje nyuma y'igikomere. She painfully said goodbye to her best friend. She painfully said goodbye to her best friend. Yasezeye ku nshuti ye magara mu buryo bubabaje. Ijambo rikurikiye dufite in spite of. In spite of, mu buryo bubabaje. Nubwo. I will go in spite of the rain. I will go in spite of the rain. Ndaza kugenda nubwo imvura igwa. She smiled in spite of the pain. She smiled in spite of the pain. Yasekaga nubwo yari afite ububabare. In spite of his age, he is very active. In spite of his age, he is very active. Nubwo ageze mu zabukuru, aracyafite imbaraga nyinshi. Active person ni umuntu ufite imbaraga, ukiri umujene. They went out in spite of warning. They went out in spite of the warning. They went out in spite of the warning. Basohotse nubwo bari baburiwe. I slept well in spite of the noise. I slept well in spite of the noise. Naryamye neza nubwo hari urusaku. The last word is infinitely. Infinitely. Ni gukora ikintu mu buryo bw'ikirenga. She's infinitely more patient than her brother. Afite kwihangana birenze cyane kurusha musaza we. We are infinitely grateful for your help. We are infinitely grateful for your help. Turagushimira by'ikirenga ku bufasha bwawe. She loves her children infinitely. She loves her children infinitely. Akunda abana be by'ikirenga. Mathematics can be infinitely complex. Mathematics can be infinitely complex. Imibare ishobora kuba igoye cyane itagira iherezo. The possibilities are infinitely many. The possibilities are infinitely many. Amahirwe ni menshi cyane. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.